Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina. I hope everybody's having a great day. I have some Hobby Lobby to share with y'all. I got a bunch, but I'm doing separate videos, so I'm going to break them up so y'all have some videos for the week. But I picked up 2 of these. So how's everybody's day? Please like, share, subscribe. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So the first one was $8.99. This is the fall collection, so these are not on sale yet. This one is, I don't see how big. There's 30 colors. It just does not say how big it is. But anyways, I got the turkey. Hopefully you can see that. It is the turkey that's on the wooden canvas. He was $8.99. And here's the color chart. 30 colors. There's the colors. He is a round. Standard toolkit. And his drill field. He's going to be very clear. So I'm excited to do these for my mother-in-law for Thanksgiving. And the other one has 30 colors. It is a round. This one I love. It does not say how big it is either. But it is the wooden canvas. And that's the one I have. Isn't that pretty? I fell in love with this. If you know, you know. If you know me, you know I love my flowers. I love sunflowers. Hopefully you can see that. I have a glare. So, drill field, very clear. And there's the color chart. Sorry, y'all. I was outside doing some yard work and I figured I'd get y'all some videos real quick. And standard toolkit. So that's what I have. So y'all let me know which one you like. My alley cat got a hold of this in the bag. I don't know what it is with her in bags, but she destroys all my bags. She likes to climb inside. So y'all let me know which one you like. I like them both, but I really love this one. I love sunflowers. So it says Happy Fall, and he was $5.99. This is their fall collection, and they are not on sale yet. So he has 14 colors, I think. Yes, 14 colors. And that's him. Isn't he cute? He comes in the frame, so he's already framed. It has the little stand that you can stand him up. Standard toolkit. All you need. In his little colors. It's going to be beautiful. But that's him. And there's his drill field. Isn't he cute? All right, that's that one. The next one is little pumpkins, $5.99. This one has 8 colors, and they are regular drills and rhinestones. And that's what we got there. I love sunflowers. I love pumpkins. Isn't that cute? It's in a little white frame. In the drill field. And on the back, it has your stand that you can stand it up. Standard toolkit. And you can see those crystals and colors in there. All right. This next one was $5.99. It is a table topper. Comes with the standard toolkit, and it has 13 colors. They are regular and rhinestones. And that's what we have. Isn't it pretty? Real filled. It is on the like little acrylic. And it does have a film on the back, so you make sure you pull that off. It has a clear film on the back, so pull that off and you won't have that white showing through. But that's what that one is. And the next one was $7.99. I fell in love with this one. It has 9 colors. It's acrylic. It comes with your twine to hang it. It comes with your standard toolkit and your special shape gemstones. But that's that one. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that gorgeous? Love the little bow. But that's what I have today, y'all. Let me know your thoughts. We have the wreath. We have the pumpkins and the flowers. We have the framed pumpkin and sunflowers. And we have the scarecrow. Let me know which ones you like. But I hope y'all have a great day. And Allie, of course, got some Allie hair, Alley cat hair in there. So let me know which one you like. And I hope y'all have a great day. Stay safe, stay warm, stay cool, stay hydrated. Make sure you say your prayers, y'all, because God's always listening. And I'm going to talk to you on the next one. All right, my friends. I love you. Talk to you soon. God bless. Bye-bye.